Hey, what's going on? It's Roger. So I'm just kind of trying to organize my Japanese diecast collection. And one of the cars that I realized I didn't have a video for, but I, took pictures of it for my website and stuff like that, is this Subaru 360, which is obviously Subaru's uh, imitation of the VW Beetle. Just like the Beetle, there's the trunk in the front. This is really cool as far as just to have in the collection. I don't see these too often. Um, the other thing too is that I have another one coming from Japan with a couple other Subarus that I can add to my collection. So I'm super happy about that. Um, Obviously, we have limited Subarus here besides Imprezas and Matchbox's Forester and Matchbox's SVX. RIP Ryu Sada. Anyways, so there's my video of the Subaru 360.